Hi everyone, my name is Zara Zamora and I'm going to tackle about prepositions. So this topic is all about prepositions, examples, and usage of prepositions in sentence. So the content of this topic is definition of prepositions, types of prepositions like place, time, and directions, example of prepositions, usage of prepositions in sentences. So, what is prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For examples, the cat is under the table and the bird flew over the house. As you can see in the photo below, you can see where the cat and the bird was. So let's explore prepositions. Prepositions connect nouns and pronouns to the rest of a sentence. They usually show time, place, or direction. For example, in time was after, at, before, by, since, during, past, until. In place, above, behind, below, beside, between, beyond, inside, and outside, and many more. In direction, along, down, from, into, onto, toward, up, and down. So let's have an activity named Guess the Preposition. Instructions: you need to identify the prepositions and write them down. In activity 2, let's talk about you. So at the back of your paper, write a short paragraph about your favorite place using at least 3 positions. So now, let me discuss the importance of using prepositions correctly in writing and speaking. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, and location, spatial relationships, or to include an object. Some examples of prepositions are words like in, at, on, off, and to. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between elements in a sentence. They can express relationships of place, time, direction, and other abstract or logical connections. A preposition is usually located directly before the word or phrase that it relates to, the object of the prepositions. Prepositions contribute to the flexibility and fluidity of English sentence structure. They allow you to convey complex ideas by connecting various elements in a sentence. Without prepositions, sentences could become rigid and monotonous. While prepositions are limited in number, they are important because they act as vital markers to the structure of a sentence. They mark special relationships between persons, objects, and locations. The correct preposition means one particular thing, and using a different prepositions will give the sentence a very different meaning. It is very important. Prepositions determine the position, time, and limit. For instance, if you say, I was sitting on my table doing my homework, what does it imply? That you were sitting on top of the table to do your work, which is ridiculous. So now let me ask you about our topic. Number 1, what are the 3 types of prepositions? 2, could you give me one example of time preposition? So thank you for participating well in our activity. I'm glad that you are able to understand the importance and the different categories of prepositions. So I have here an additional question. Why is preposition important? So your last activity is make your own story using preposition and underline the preposition used in your story. You should also identify what type of prepositions that you used. So our discussions will end here. Please keep in mind everything that you have learned in these discussions. Thank you for participating.